Hey Hans, welcome back to my channel, Crying with Ngobi. So today I'll be doing a get ready with me / get to know me tag. If you're returning Sabi, we welcome you back, my Dali. And then if you're a new subscriber, you're welcome also. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comments. So please tune in. I don't know, should I get Tommy Kamirir or my hair is so dry. I don't know what get to make or can makeup. I think I'm gonna do my hair first. So I'm gonna just spritz it with water before I take off those braids. So okay, let me why I chose to go for natural hair. Yeah, like why I choose to transition from relaxed to natural. So like the time I had relaxed hair, nail peel, trust nail peel, but thing is Corey, my my hair wasn't growing any because relax, like my hair was very nice, but it wasn't growing, yabo. So I decided, Tori, you know what, I'll be moisturizing my with this Afro food on naturally. I was like, okay, let me just take this route. Okay, shop fine. I stopped relaxing my matric year 2018, yeah, November. Yeah, and towards the end, I think, yeah, I even remember the day correctly. The first product natural hair, it was on the 23rd of November 2018. I was like, okay, shop, let me buy. Like I bought almost, not like really everything, because I saw this girl go Twitter closer and all the products that she was using. So yeah, it was shampoo. I bought like shampoo, conditioner, sun to live in, oil. I think I bought an oil also. Lead detangler, anti-jake. Next thing was the obvious things. And then when I stopped relaxing, those products. I didn't have like a hair routine. All I knew like was the basic stuff. Sorry, I wash my hair twice in a month. Sorry, how do I like manage it? Pila like. Nah, I didn't know because it was like the early stages. So okay, fine. I turned natural. Didn't test the patience in really. Test the patience. I used to do the DIYs, but I'm using this oil so that I don't break my hair. So like I used to do a lot of DIYs. Go my disaster that one. But getting her the avocado. I used to add the avocado. Like make it like DIY. So sharp fine. Those are like make it so good. My biggest challenge that I had was the detangling process. The worst. I remember this other time my hair like locked. Yaloka. And I had to work like a scare. I had to cut through. It was the worst. That time I was like, nah, okay, this is it. Maybe this is not for me. I'ma just cut my hair because wow. Okay, back to the get to know. Okay, after like besides sorry, it tested my patience and everything, I started loving my hair because like it looks so beautiful, so soft. That time before see you guys, like I really took care of my hair. Like I would spend hours. So I started loving it, and then Leona it started loving me back. So yeah, So I'm still learning. I can't say I can't worry. I'm an expert on here or whatsoever. And like you have to know Tore, like the products that I may be using might not work for you, you know. So some of the things that it might not work for you. So guys, sakra or mislead, blah blah blah, you know. But like, just get to know your hair, get to know what your hair like, what your hair doesn't like. The product tingling what it might work for him, but for now, zero. Yeah. So yeah, that's like my hair journey. I started November 2018, and then I did like big chop on last year March. Yeah, that's when I cut my hair. I didn't cut it from the get-go. Lol. Yo, so I only cut it like March, April. Yeah, that's when I cut my hair. And then we were forever natural. We were forever within some coils, within some curls, within some knots. Yabo. So yeah, so I'm done taking off the braids. I don't even know how to style it. Oh my god, I can't rock an afro. Like I don't know which hairstyle to do yet, but I'm thinking of doing a high puff. Can do naturally or yun guarantee and then isa just because I just to lay my edges. Let me take this. Edges will be laid. Okay, shampoo 10 minutes past, yabo. So,